How to do something you don't want to do. We all have to do things in life we don't want to do. It's important for us to learn how to do something you don't want to do. How do you find the willpower to do activities you dislike? Do you often find yourself saying, "I can't get myself to do anything"? Here are 10 tips to help you do what you don't want to. But first, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. Face your fear. Many of the things you need to do can lead to personal growth. Facing your fears head-on will make you a better person. The more you do something, the easier it gets. 2. Think of the long-term effects. Procrastinating is only hurting you. The longer you wait, the more your body will deteriorate. It's easy to get stuck in your comfort zone. But your comfort zone often has negative consequences for your future. Think about how your actions today will be affecting your tomorrow or 10 to 20 years from now. 3. Consider others. Putting off things you don't want to do can affect the overall quality of your relationship. It's best to suck it up and do the unpleasant task for someone you love. 4. Break it into smaller steps. Sometimes the tasks you need to accomplish seem so daunting and overwhelming. You don't know where to begin. When this happens, you end up doing nothing and accomplishing nothing. The solution is breaking it down into smaller tasks. 5. Don't do it all at once. Any effort toward your end goal is progress. No matter what you're pursuing, any small effort counts. Give yourself permission to take the time to get the job done right. But don't allow yourself to leave it until the last minute. 6. Prioritize steps. What is the most immediate need and the least? Once you have the small steps mapped out, rank them on what is most important. 7. Put the steps on a calendar. You'll find that you feel more motivated when you're able to check something off of your calendar. It keeps you on track as you're learning how to do something you don't want to. 8. Remember the end result. Some goals don't show results quickly. Those are the most difficult ones to start. It's easy to become discouraged when you are not seeing the results of your efforts. But stick with it. Bring to mind what your end goal will really look and feel like. 9. Appreciate what you have to do. Not every activity you do is fun. You can always find some appreciation in whatever you need to do. 10. Reward yourself. It's great to spoil yourself. Reward yourself after you have accomplished what you don't want to do. It will serve as more of an incentive to get it done.